Hi guys, it is June 25th, 2026, William here, and it's been raining the last couple days, so the river's flowing, or the creek's flowing in behind my house, and I'm gonna show it to ya. We got payday tomorrow. Yay, payday, finally. I've been going without coffee. Oh my goodness. I've been sleeping better, but I guess that's a reason to give it up. But I'll show you the creek. This is the creek. It's not flowing too hard, but yeah, you can see it down there better. Usually it's dried up. It doesn't flow at all, but after it rains, it flows. There's it flowing. It was flowing really hard yesterday. Yesterday it was going really hard. So 2 weeks without Megan. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go crazy, but I'll get out on my bike and get some exercise, and oh my goodness, we're gonna have to keep busy. What are we gonna do tomorrow? Yes, I've already explained what we're gonna do tomorrow. We're gonna go get some smokes and go grocery shopping and go to the PetSmart, and we're gonna get some sleeping pills. I gotta get some sleeping pills. So hope everyone, oh no, it's not Friday, it's Thursday. I was gonna wish everyone a good weekend, but it's only Thursday. So thanks to all my viewers and all my subscribers and all my commenters, and thanks for viewing the vlog, and I'll see you in the next vlog.